If you're trying to lose weight after menopause, getting enough protein is only part of the equation. You also need healthy fats and fiber. And when you get all three working together at breakfast, something magical happens. Today, I will be sharing the breakfast that is my new secret weapon during my midlife transformation journey. With over 30 grams of protein, a perfect blend of healthy fats, and nearly half my daily fiber needs in a single bowl, it keeps you full till lunch with so many other amazing nutritional benefits you didn't know you were missing. So let's get into it. All right, so I'm almost 60, and I'll be honest, at this age, losing menopausal weight and staying strong is less about vanity than it is about longevity and preserving muscle mass. So those diets we used to do when we were younger just don't work anymore. In fact, they can actually be working against us, which is why I love this breakfast bowl. It is my PFF BFF, and this recipe couldn't be easier. So into your bowl, you'll add 1 cup of Greek yogurt. I use 0%. You can opt for 1 or 2% if you wish. Greek yogurt is doing so much heavy lifting here. It's your protein foundation that's getting you well on your way to that 30-gram protein target before you've done anything else. Next, we'll add 1 to 2 teaspoons of psyllium husk. So psyllium husk is one of the most underrated ingredients you can add to your breakfast in the morning. It is an incredible source of soluble fiber. And the key thing about soluble fiber is that it actually expands during digestion. It physically creates that feeling of fullness and keeps you satisfied for hours. It also helps regulate blood sugar, which is huge after menopause when hormonal changes make blood sugar balance trickier. And yes, of course, it's great for regularity too. So it's always best to start with a smaller amount to give your gut a chance to get used to it and build from there. I also like to mix it with a little bit of nut milk just to give it a creamier texture, but you can leave that out if you want. Next, we will add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and mix everything together really well. Chia seeds bring both soluble and insoluble fiber to the bowl, so you're getting 2 different types of fiber working together, which is really powerful for digestion and sustained energy. They're also a wonderful source of plant-based calcium and omega-3 fatty acids. And here's the best part. Fat and fiber together at breakfast actually trigger your satiety hormones. So those are the signals that tell your brain that you are actually full and satisfied. So once everything is nicely mixed, we are ready to add our toppings. So I'm going to be transferring this into a lidded container because I like to make this in advance and take it on the go some mornings. My favorite topping includes frozen berries. You can use whatever blend you have on hand. I'm using blueberries today, half a cup. You can use fresh berries, of course, if you have them. They are loaded with antioxidants and additional fiber. Next, we'll add half a sliced banana for some natural sweetness. It's a great source of potassium, and if it's not overly ripe, you'll also be getting resistant starch as well, which feeds the good bacteria in your gut and supports digestion even further. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds. So these are one of my favorite new ingredients that I've been adding to everything lately. Hemp seeds are loaded with complete plant-based protein and healthy omega-3 and omega-6 fats. Combined with the chia and the psyllium, you've got a genuinely powerful blend of soluble and insoluble fiber, complete protein, and healthy fat all working together. Finally, we're going to top it off with a small drizzle of maple syrup, and this of course is completely optional, but I like it. Look how great that looks, and it is so tasty. No more than 5 minutes, you've got 31 grams of protein, 12 grams of fiber, which is over 40% of your daily needs in just one bowl. And it all comes in at under 400 calories that you will not regret. You can also make the bowl the night before to give you an even thicker and richer texture. Just be sure to drink plenty of water following this meal and throughout your day to really optimize digestion and minimize any bloating from all that fiber. So this bowl isn't just a recipe, it's a strategy. Every single ingredient in here is there for a reason, and they're all working together with your body to preserve muscle, balance blood sugar, trigger your satiety hormones, and keep hunger at bay all morning. And you get to start your day knowing that you're doing something really good for future you today and tomorrow. And if you want more high protein meal ideas, you can download a free weekly meal plan in the description below, featuring this and other recipes from this video right here. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and that notification button for more recipes and inspiration future you will thank you for. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.